this a Mustang? This ain't Buick stuff. What's going on? Well, I'm going to work on these windows for my brother's foxbody Mustang. As you can see, time is friendly on nothing. These windows, they discolor, they fade, and then they start pitting. Just the sun beating down on them and just age. That's all it is. But overall, they're in good shape. They just need to be smoothened out. So I'm going to start by masking. Then I'm going to sand it as much as I possibly can to get this thing as smooth as I can before I start introducing any products into it. Products, of course, I'm always using the SEM product line. Starting with the SEM soap, lacquer, some paint from SEM, which is the trim black. It's like satin black. Vinyl prep and bumper